How to change your message color on iPhone. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to change your message color on iPhone. For this video, we will be using a third-party application. So the first step is to go to the App Store and just look up Color Text Bubble. So just tap on the search button and we will be using this first one right here. So just make sure you download the app with this icon because there's a lot of results. And since I already have this on my iPhone, I have the open button. But if you don't have it just yet, you can just simply download it from that using that same button as well. And once downloaded, just go back to your messages and you should see it on the applications right here at the bottom. So just simply tap on this search or message box here, and you can see it here, but if not, just scroll all the way to the left and tap on the three dots, and you should see color text bubbles under more apps. So just simply tap on that, and you should see the following options. You can make use of these default templates here available, but as you can see, the direction of the text is actually different. It's like the text is not coming from you. So we're gonna have to change the direction of this chat bubble by tapping on the type custom message. So just simply tap on this first chat bubble button above your keyboard. And there you go. We have successfully changed the text bubble direction. And now as for the color, we can change it by tapping on this next chat bubble option here. So you can choose from the following colors available in the middle of the screen or in the middle of this palette here. But if you'd like more colors, all you need to do is simply upgrade to the Pro version of this app. But let me just make use of the ones I have, like this pink one. So I can just tap on done and then just tap or type a text here, maybe say hello, and then tap on send. Now, there are going to be a lot of ads that's going to pop up here. So just wait for the X button for the specific ad, not this X button for the color text bubbles because it's going to close that application. So make sure you close the ad, not the app. And then tap on the send button right here. And there you have it. We have successfully sent a message with a different color on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.